Artificial intelligence has transformed from science fiction into business reality, and at the forefront of this revolution is generative AI, often shortened to GenAI.
GenAI tools such as ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, Claude, Grok, and more are driving one of the most significant technological shifts in human history.
In this course, we're going to introduce you to generative AI, including the concepts and context you need to understand how it can be applied in business. We'll also look at some of the most popular tools and their uses, and some of the risks and limitations of generative AI.
Generative AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that can generate new content based on patterns learned from existing data. This existing data, or training data, includes text, images, software code, and even music. And it's not just for creating new content. Generative AI tools can use their knowledge to help analyze documents or images or help you with research.
The foundations of AI date back to the 1960s, but what we think of today as generative AI really got its start in 2017 with the development of a new architecture called transformers. In 2022, the launch of ChatGPT by a company called OpenAI began a wave of popular generative AI tools and features which have reshaped the world.
What makes generative AI different from traditional software? Traditional programs follow specific rules and instructions. They're like a calculator. Input 2 plus 2, get 4. But generative AI is more like a human colleague. It can understand context, generate creative solutions, and even engage in natural conversations. One common paradigm people use to understand Gen AI is to think of it like a really smart intern who can assist in your work.
So Gen AI is basically like having a super intelligent assistant doing the work for me?
Yes and no. While generative AI is powerful, it has limitations. It can be surprisingly knowledgeable in some areas and surprisingly dumb in others. It can make mistakes, present incorrect information, and doesn't truly understand things the way humans do. Still, when used correctly, Gen AI has the potential to dramatically reshape many business processes.